Hello there, gorgeous people. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing you on how to make malunggay pancake. So for our ingredients, we need 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we will just mix it together until it will be well blended. We will now put 1 cup of flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then we will just mix it until it will be well blended. Just mix it all together. Now we will add 1/2 cup more of sugar. So soft? Can you recommend the malunggay pancake to the kids? Huh? Can you tell the kids to eat malunggay pancake?
Yes!
Oh, finish na your malunggay pancake. Is it yummy?
Yes, Nanay.
Do you like it? Is it fluffy? Is it soft? Will you recommend to the kids to eat malunggay pancake?
Because it's yummy.
It's yummy, is it? How about you? How about Kuya? You should eat malunggay pancake as well, huh? He's not answering. The boy is there. But the little girl likes the pancake.
Yummy.
And wheat. I'll finish that and then you eat rice. fluffy talaga eh. So this is malunggay pancake. Try nyo din mga loves. Madali lang siyang gawin. Thank you for watching, gorgeous people.